Hi there, my name is Jason Perkins. I'm a Georgia attorney. I specialize in helping injured workers with their workers' compensation claims. Now, when people get hurt at work, a lot of times they've never dealt with workers' compensation before, and they have lots of questions. I'm here to talk to you today about one of the ways that we try to help people with those questions. Many people are concerned that if they need to speak to an attorney or hire an attorney, that it's going to cost them a lot of money. So one of the things that our firm offers in order to avoid that problem for people who've been injured at work is a free consultation. Now, you may have heard this term before, but you may have questions about what a free consultation is, what you're going to learn from it, and how long it's going to take. So this video today is intended to answer some of those questions. The first question you may have is whether the consultation is really free. Happy to tell you that it is. There's absolutely no charge for a consultation with me or one of the other workers' compensation attorneys at our office. The second question may be what you're going to learn. Well, what typically happens in a free consultation is that you would provide me with some information about your case. How you got injured, what happened to you, what sort of issues are going on in your case right now, whatever questions that you may have, so that I could consider those facts and basically give you some information that may help you understand how the workers' compensation law in Georgia might apply to those facts. It'll provide you with some information about your case, maybe what you could expect in the future. May also be able to give you some information about if you did decide to hire me to represent you on your case, what I'd be able to do for you. Basically, if you're having problems with your doctor not providing you with the right treatment, I might provide you with some information about how I might be able to get you to a different doctor or what your options were as far as getting different medical treatment. If you were going to have to go to court about your case, about fighting for some benefit, like temporary total disability benefits, I can tell you basically what your chances might be and how long it would take to get to court and what you might receive if you were successful with your case. Basically, this gives you some information so that you can better understand your case and hopefully decide whether it might benefit you or not to get me involved in representing you. Now, another question you may have is how long a free consultation would take. Typically, these consultations take 15 to 30 minutes. They can take longer if your case is more complicated. I want to make sure and be able to give you whatever time that I need to understand the facts of your case and to answer any questions that you may have so that you can make the best decision about where to go in the future with things. Now, one other question that people have is whether they have to come into our office for a consultation. I think it's good to come into our office for a consultation, but it's certainly not required. We can do consultations over the phone. We can even do them by email. Now, if you'd like to set up a free consultation with me, you can do that either by reaching out to us by phone at 770-214-8885, or you can visit our website, perkinslawtalk.com, and there's a form there where you can complete to request a free consultation, and we'll reach out to you to set that up. Hope you found this video helpful today. If you have, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up on YouTube. And thanks for watching today, and best of luck as you recover from your injury.